Hello and welcome to this amazing course. So in this course I will show you how to navigate the course and use the different tools and resources that are available to help you succeed it. So let's go over some important areas that will make your learning experience easier and more effective. First of all, start here in this part, home. You're going to find the course introduction. Here you're going to find a welcome video, and also you're going to find the learning outcomes. Okay, and if you go here to the models, you're going to find all the structure about this course. So I suggest you to find first of all the models. First of all, if I told you, you're going to find the course introduction, and then you're going to find unit 1 and unit 2. In both of these units, you're going to find different activities that you're going to develop step by step. Okay, so in unit 1, in you're going to find a previous knowledge. You're going to find also the learning guide, practice 1, practice 2, improving recycling habits. Yeah, you're going to find external links, and also you're going to find a final exam. As you can see, unit 2 has the same structure like unit 1. Okay, so I suggest you to read the learning guide. Here you're going to find uh, all the steps in the different activity you're going to do. Okay, so first of all, please read carefully this guide, and as I told you before, you're going to find all the step by step. Okay, so as you can see on the left, you're going to find discussion forums. Here we have two forums, one per unit, and you're going to have or you're going to find some quizzes too. Yeah, and more activities in this course. So um, I hope you can develop all these activities in order to. Okay, thank you for watching this course navigation video, and I hope it helped you feel confident in navigating the course and using all the tools available. Thank you so much.